Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to edit Wix mobile view. So first thing that you'll need to do is you have to go to your Wix account and then go to the editor settings. And then first you just have to click on this mobile view icon. So you'd be redirected to your mobile view. And as you can see, the content on your website is automatically reformatted to fit into the mobile view. So right here, if you want to make any changes, so for example, this logo, I want to put it in the center. So take note that it will not affect the position when you go back to the desktop view. Okay, so because this is on the mobile view and all the things that you're going to edit right here, either the alignment of the text or the position of the logo, it will not affect the desktop view. Okay. So here, if you want to add any elements, then you can press the add to mobile button on the top of the left panel. This opens up a menu and you can select from either of these elements and you can click and drag and drop it onto your website. Next is you have the site pages and menu and the rest of the pages of your website. So all of this was automatically formatted to fit into the mobile view of your website. So the next one is the mobile background. So as you can see, you can change the background to either a solid color or you can upload an image or you can choose from the choices here or upload a video. So for example, if you want to add an image, you can click on it and then upload media and then you can upload from your computer. Okay, or you can select one of these images right here or you can click on the video. So right here you also have the selected backgrounds if you want that, and you can also click on apply to other pages. Okay, so the next one is the mobile tools button. And of course, this opens up a menu that opens up a bunch of tools that are exclusive to the mobile view. So let's click on the quick action bar and you can press the plus icon to add it in. And as you can see, this automatically gives you a bunch of quick action icons. And you can press on the three dots. And when you click on setup, it will automatically takes you through a linking page where you can add in where that button will link to once it's clicked. So if you want to make any further edits to this, you can click on the more actions in the bottom of this panel. So next, let's go back to the mobile tools and let's press the plus icon next back to the top button. So with this automatically inputs an icon and you can change the shape depending on the templates. And then once the user clicks it there, it will automatically taken to the top of the page. So another mobile tools is the welcome screen button. So when you press this automatically opens up a panel which will show you the design that your user will see once they enter your page. So you can go ahead and add animations and you can add in your logo as well as your extra text. And then the last mobile tool is the browser theme color. So just click on the plus icon as well. And then right here, you just have to click on the color or choose a color options at the top. So this one. And you can go ahead and press this so that you can edit the theme that the user will see throughout your entire mobile page. And of course, the last one over here on the left panel is the hidden on mobile panel. So as you can see, this shows you a list of elements that are hidden on your mobile site but are visible on the desktop. And if we can go ahead and change the element to be shown in mobile by clicking on it and then manually and adjusting it. So if you have more questions, don't forget to leave your comment below. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.